Bro, who is that?
Who?
That girl standing right over there.
I have no idea.
She's beautiful.
You should go talk to her.
Dude, she's getting soaked.
Raindrop, raindrop, you were like a raindrop. Raindrop, hit me like a raindrop. All I hear are raindrops. You feel like a raindrop. Hit me like you feel like a raindrop.
Yeah, so unexpected when you came into the blue. Well, it was shark infested. You were so refreshing, souls were destined. We ain't never rush a moment, we were so invested. It was so smooth when you casually started killing other girlies, causing casualties. It was so embarrassing, there's no comparison. Your queen bee steeze is a dude just staring in yo vicinity. I'm like, yo, maybe if she's into me, I picture dinner seats at like Venice Beach, where we can spend and eat and we can end this shit. So forgive me if I'm being too bold. I'm just trying to live life before we end up too old. Baby, won't you dive in, even if it's too cold? I can see us thriving, living like a new soul.
Raindrop, raindrop, you were like a raindrop. Raindrop, hit me like a raindrop. All I hear are raindrops. You feel like a raindrop. Hit me like you feel like a raindrop.
Like damn, really? Tell me where you been. I've been looking for a girlie that be owning on skin, and not only owning but rock, slowly honing the law, and manifesting the thoughts. Are condoning you a real one? I mean you real as hell, with the radiance of beauty even blind can tell. And I don't even stare at the others that tease me, and I don't even care, man. This girl is so easy, but easy, not like easy to sleep with, or easy to be with, but easy to creep with. It's different. Yeah, then you put your lips on me, then you slowed it down, put your hips on me, then you kissed on me. I was like, okay. You were like, oh no. I was like, no way. They want it, and I got it, not flaunt it, not stopping.
Been raining all day, been raining all day. She said she wanted this. Been raining all night, been raining all night. She wanna dance too.